Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Read AI and Fireflies AI to find which one is better for automated meeting notes. Choose between Read AI and Fireflies AI for automated meeting notes depends on various factors such as features, accuracy, ease of use, integration options, and pricing. First, let us talk about the Read AI. Read AI offers features such as real-time transcription, summarization, action item extraction, sentiment analysis, and integration with productivity tools like Slack, Trello, and Asana. Accuracy in transcription and summarization is crucial for meeting notes. Read AI's accuracy may vary depending on factors like background noise and speaker accents, but it generally performs well. Read AI is designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and straightforward setup processes. It integrates with various productivity tools, enhancing workflow efficiency by automatically syncing meeting notes with project management platforms. It offers 4 main pricing plans. A free one, the Pro plan, costs $15, the Enterprise $22.50, and Enterprise at $29.75. Choose the one that suits your needs. Next, we have Fireflies AI. Fireflies AI provides features like real-time transcription, AI-powered note-taking, action item tracking, searchable meeting recordings, and integration with popular tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Salesforce. Like Read AI, Firefly's accuracy depends on factors such as audio quality and speaker accents. However, it generally offers reliable transcription and note-taking capabilities. Fireflies AI aims for simplicity with easy setup and user-friendly interfaces for both desktop and mobile users. It offers seamless integration with various communication and productivity tools, allowing for the automatic transfer of meeting notes and action items to relevant platforms. Fireflies AI SaaS provides 4 different plans: a free, pro, business, and enterprise plan. Price starts at $0 to $39. Ultimately, the better option depends on your specific requirements, preferences, and budget constraints. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.